Today, we're taking you to one of the most beautiful parks in Madrid, El Retiro Park. Get ready to explore its incredible beauty with us. So, don't go anywhere and stay with us until the end of the video, because what you're about to see is like a glimpse of paradise. Are you ready? Let's get started. The gorgeous flowers and amazing trees make this park even more beautiful. There's such a chill vibe here. It's the perfect spot to just relax and soak it all in. You'll find unique trees and stunning statues throughout the park. They've even added beautiful carvings to the flower pots, which are truly breathtaking. It's these little details that make El Retiro Park so enchanting and unforgettable. You won't believe it. While the weather was perfect and sunny, a sudden heavy downpour caught us all by surprise for a few moments. We were just walking along when suddenly we came across a bridge, and the view was absolutely stunning. It totally took our breath away. The park's cafes are so inviting with their tasty drinks and chill vibe that you'll end up sitting back and relaxing without even realizing it. It's the perfect spot to kick back and enjoy the peaceful surroundings.
Mira, mira. Míralo aquí,
As I mentioned, we saw so many beautiful statues in the park, and there are also numerous exquisite fountain statues like this one. They really add to the park's charm and beauty. Amidst all the park's beauty, a woman practicing traditional Spanish dance in a stunning outfit made the atmosphere even more captivating and unique. It added an extra touch of charm to the park. The ancient ruin in El Retiro Park, known as the Parque del Buen Retiro, or El Retiro, is a symbol of the park's rich history and its transformation over the centuries. The ruin represents the park's past as a royal retreat and its evolution into a public space. It stands as a reminder of the park's historical significance and its role in Madrid's cultural heritage.
Pretty. ¿Cómo llamo? Una cada una.
La Rosaleda, or the Rose Garden, in El Retiro Park, is one of the park's most enchanting features. This beautifully landscaped area showcases a stunning collection of roses, with various colors and varieties blooming from spring to early autumn. Designed by the architect Cecilio Rodriguez in 1915, The garden is laid out with elegant pathways and well-maintained flower beds. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful break, offering a fragrant and visually delightful experience amidst the park's lush greenery. In El Retiro Park, you'll find the striking Statue of the Fallen Angel, also known as the Satanic Statue. Created by sculptor Ricardo Belver and unveiled in 1885, this statue is a dramatic and unique depiction of Lucifer, representing his fall from heaven. It stands atop a pedestal in a small plaza surrounded by a fountain, and is notable for its dynamic, detailed design. The statue is one of the few public monuments in the world that depicts this particular theme, making it a fascinating and somewhat unusual attraction within the park. There's a beautiful lake in the park where you can go boating, and right across from it, there's a cozy café. It's the perfect spot to relax with a drink while watching people row across the water. The view is just amazing.
¿Tienes amigas profesoras? ¿Has contrastado los niveles de...?
Thanks for hanging out with us. We hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support by subscribing and liking, so we can keep bringing you more cool content. Don't miss our next exciting video. Can't wait to see you then.